is not located on a digitized road. Keep next right.
Right, good afternoon everyone. Very pleasant day today. Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day everyone. 14th of February 2025. We're away for a few days at Parkfoot Caravan Park, Ullswater, Pooley Bridge, if you know it. Just a quick video. I'll do an update when we've been here and settled in. And put that on after we've shown you all the holiday videos for last year, which I'm way behind. So just a very quick look around now. I've got a lovely pitch, nice view of the hills over there. That's on High Street if you know it. The Parkfoot, you've got direct access to the fells there, and just spitting distance is Ullswater, the lake. So I'll see you a bit later on and let you know how we get on. Morning everyone, Col here, Kaz and Col's Caravanning Adventures. Hope you're all fit and well. Day 2 of our little trip to the Lake District, Valentine's weekend 2025. That's this is going to be our setup for the next few days. We're on Parkfoot Holiday Park, Ullswater, Pooley Bridge. If you haven't been here before, it's a lovely site. It's full up for the weekend. For the Valentine's weekend. They don't actually open fully until April. Just have a little whiz around while the tea's brewing. A bit sleety and snowy overnight. And nice view of the High Street and the fells over there. There's direct access to the fells from there. About 15-minute walk into Pooley Bridge, same to the steamers. A little bit cloudy, misty this morning. I'll give you some more shots as we go along over the next few days. See you later. Go and get that tea on. Back in the van now, having a lovely cup of tea. And this is the view from inside the van. As you can see, it's just slightly misty. Not too bad for February. I think it's going to be like this for the next few days though. Right, good afternoon guys. Just going for a little walk down to Ullswater, to the lake. It's cleared up a little bit now. There's a little bridge there going over the stream. And the lake's just there. So I'll go over the little bridge then. If the pitch is still a bit bouncy up and down, that's me on my crutch. It's a bit uneven, this, isn't it? Ooh. Ah! Nearly fell in. It's quite a nice little stream, this, isn't it?
It's nice for kids just to paddle in, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Right, just going to jump off the other end. Ooh. Still struggling a bit for the old knee replacement. Right, we'll have a little walk down the lake and we'll see you in a bit. Good evening everyone from Parkfoot Holiday Park, Ullswater, Pooley Bridge. Hope you're all fitting well. Had a nice walk down the lake this afternoon, a little bit misty. We're in TJ's bar and restaurant, which is on the campsite. It's a lovely bar, it's a little bit busy, lots of kids and everything flying around, so I'm not going to invade anyone's privacy by videoing it around. But I just thought I'd show you this pint of Wainwright, which is absolutely lovely. It's got all the different places on where Wainwright walks are. Obviously, fittingly, we're in Pooley Bridge. So, nice pint of Wainwright. So, hope you're all having a fantastic evening, and we'll speak again later. Right, good afternoon everyone. Cole here, Kaz and Cole's Caravanning Adventures. Parkfoot Holiday Park in the Lake District. I know I put a few little snippets on last few days. I thought I'd do another little one today as the sun's out. So it's Parkfoot Holiday Park with the sun out. It's lovely. Temperature is about 5 or 6 degrees. What I'm looking at over there, that's the toilet block over there. Showers and what have you. Just had a knee replacement on crutches, so I'm not going to walk over there. It's quite a long way off from this particular place where I'm actually parked up. I'm just spinning around showing you the view. Nice view of the lake. I don't know whether you can see it too well through the trees there, but it's a lovely day on Parkfoot Holiday Park in the Lake District. Have a good afternoon.